Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. All right, today is an unboxing, and I don't know if it's just me, but there's usually always this excitement when it comes to acquiring something new, right? okay today I'm unboxing my infrared thermometer and a pH meter. Okay, I have a thermometer actually, but the one I use is this type. This one, it's more of a manual one. You put it inside and you take the reading. It's also accurate. It's very nice. But the infrared one is much more like easier and faster to use. It doesn't need to have contact because it's infrared. So it doesn't need to have contact with your products. Yeah, it doesn't need to. But this way, I actually purchased this one online from a shop online. So it was sent to me via Waybill, so I went to get it. I've not even opened it yet. You could see it's still sealed. I've not opened it yet, and so let's open it together. I am super excited, as I said, because there's nothing as good as making your work easy. Okay, look at how it was wrapped. Yeah, can you see it? I even expected it was going to be bigger than this. When the parcel came and I saw it looking small, I don't know. I don't know what was on my mind doing, but I just thought it was going to be something a lot more bigger. So this is it. All right. Okay, this is it. I even also ordered, because there's a shop where they sell raw materials as well for production. So I also ordered for azelaic acid. So this is it. I ordered for 100 grams. This 50. I ordered for 100 grams. So they gave me 2. Okay, so which one should we open first? Okay, let's start with the thermometer. This is it. Can you see it? It's an infrared. It's a very popular one because it's also one of the equipment used for this pandemic. So it's very common. Initially, let me tell you, I'm sorry, Nigerian money. Maybe when I calculate it by dollars, I'll put it on the screen. Last year, when I saw this thermometer, I asked for the price and he told me it was 9,000 naira. Only for me this year for it to escalate. At some point, this thermometer was costing for close to 25k, but right now it's about 15,000 naira. So I just quickly got it because, you know, the way rising prices of things here, I'm just tired. So I just bought it for use. It's much more. Can you see how it is? They call it a gun thermometer. Look at it. It gives you, look at it, has an LED screen here that gives you reading. Yeah, that is it. And it came with 2 batteries. Yeah, it's powered with a battery, which makes it good. Even it's not relying on electricity because I'm in Niger. So electricity is a big problem for us. So the fact that it does not even require electricity makes me even happier. So even if there's no light, I can still walk if I want to walk. Okay, here it's a manual. This is a manual specification on how to use it. So this is the thermometer. Off we go, and this is the pH meter. Okay, all right. I normally use, I don't know where I dropped that. I normally use test strip, the ones with the test paper directly use. So I decided to use this one. Now this one, as I told you, is easier. Okay, it has this buffering powder, it has the calibrator. This is 6.8 and this is 4. Yeah, its own is 6.8. Some their buffering powders is 7, but anyway, 6.86 almost. So it's the same. This 6 and that's it. So this is it. He also has his own manual. I'll go through it properly, and then this is it. So this pH meter costed me 8,000 naira. Yes, I'll put it in dollars. 8,000 naira. You understand? And when I calibrate it, it's also okay. It also uses battery, I guess. Yes, but look at, I on it and it came on. It also uses battery. Yeah, so this is it. This is the LE, like more like the sensor that does the work. So at this point, taking pH of products has even become a lot more easier, because to be honest with you, the one of the paper, you have to pay a lot of attention to details. I'm sorry I didn't have it here with me. You have to pay a lot of attention to details after putting it in your product. You have to gauge to make sure it goes together. I'll put the picture of that one here, of that type. You have to make sure it goes the same color before you determine it. But this one will just give you your pH reading, you understand? So it's a lot more easier. So thank you so much for watching the unboxing of my infrared thermometer and pH meter. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up if you really like it, share it as well if you can. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
It's Strong Case the Jam Maker.